Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create my Ayurvedic paste for my videos. Now, as you know, I have my protective style mini twists in, but I am going to be going in with my paste this weekend, and so what I'm doing now is just preparing it ahead of time, and I decided to record to show you guys exactly how I do it. These are just some of the things that I use when I create my paste. I'm just showing you some of the powders that I have. But of course, I'm going to be going back in with the Brahmi powder, and I'm just using the oils that I have on hand that are available. Okay, right now I'm just showing you the empty packet of the Brahmi powder that I used. And this is pretty much how the powder looks before you include any additional ingredients inside the powder or with the powder. Okay, right here I'm using a hair oil that I got locally right here where I live. This is by Island Connect, and this hair oil has so many great oils inside of it. They have argan oil, neem oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, amla oil, and baobab, however you pronounce it, oil. Next, I'm going in with the Miel Organics oil, and I'm really using this oil because this oil has biotin inside of it, and biotin is really great for hair growth. This oil also contains rosemary and peppermint, and those are all really great ingredients for hair growth and strengthening hair as well. Once I've added in all of my oils, I'm now just going to mix the oils inside of the powder. I'm doing this just because I'm weird and this is what I would do. What I'm doing now is just adding water to the powder, and I'm literally going to keep adding water until I achieve the consistency that I'm looking for. Now, my previous paste was a little bit thick, which resulted in it being a little bit rough when it came to applying, and so I'm trying to create a more smoother paste to make the application a bit more easier when I'm applying this paste to my hair. Also keep in mind that you can add other ingredients to your Ayurvedic powders if you want to. You can add other oils, you can use coconut milk, you can use aloe vera gel. Really, I'm only using what I have on hand. I do plan to order more things, and so my paste will probably change over the course of this series. But again, I'm just using what I have here on hand present in the moment. You can see right here the consistency is still very thick, so I'm just going in with more water until I create a smooth paste. After a few more drops of water and some more hand whipping, I have finally created the paste consistency that I was going for. I'm just taking my mason jar because I'm going to be packing my paste inside of my mason jar, and I'm going to place this paste in the freezer until I'm ready to use this paste. To remind you that if you make your paste ahead of time, it is important that you put the paste inside of the freezer and not in the fridge. If you place it in the fridge, bacteria can still get inside of it. If you place it in the freezer, it's going to harden up and be safe to use in the future. So again, place in the freezer and not in the fridge. This is basically it, guys. This is how I create my paste. So here you go. I wanted to show you this, and I hope that this makes your Ayurvedic paste making a little bit more easier.